go live. Go live. I'm about to go live from Italy.
We have finally got the reason why.
Italy, yeah. I'm about to go live from Italy, yeah. Italy, whoa. Tama, hello. Live from Sorrento. You know I'm live from Sorrento, yeah. I be live from Sorrento. You know I'm alive, Sorrento, yo. Okay. How does this look? Hopefully not lagging because the speed is kind of slow. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Let's make sure we stay in HD here, please. Come on. Okay. That should be good. Let's see. Should we do a little, I'm gonna show you guys this room real quickly. Let's see. Okay, sweet. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's a very beautiful view. In a town called Sorrento in Italy. It's right next to the water. Very beautiful. Yeah. Let's get started, shall we? It's right next to the water. Very beautiful. Okay. Kind of want some water, but it's fine. What am I gonna do? Max stream tutorial. Okay. So this one was highly requested after I kind of teased it on TikTok. Let's see if I can do it. To do this, okay, so I'm trying to figure out how I can do this properly. Because the way I do it is I use TeamViewer. But to use TeamViewer, you actually already need a computer, as far as I'm aware. My computers, you can't utilize one of their computers. So also it's kind of expensive for the non-trial. So I'm gonna try find a solution for remote Windows computer rental type thing. Just realized I don't have the chat open. Okay, here we go. All right, let's go. Okay, let's see. Windows. Wait, remote Windows computer pricing. RemotePC.com. Let's see, maybe that one's good. It's the first one. Do they have a trial? 7-day free trial, no credit card. Excellent. All right, this one could work. Let's try remotepc.com to hire a remote Windows computer. 7-day free trial, please. I will fill all this out. Let me just hide this. I don't really want to dox all my information. Bear with me. Okay, I think that's done. Yo, Aaron AU, welcome. Hope you guys are doing well today. Alright, install remote PC on your computer. Assign a personal key, access your PC. Okay, it's already installing. Let me just see the reviews for this on Reddit. Screen Connect. These ones seem to be if you already have a PC, right? This website looks so shit. Alright, let's just try remote PC. So you install remote PC. Wait, is this trying to interact with my computer? It's not what I wanted, but we'll give it a go anyway. Worst case, we'll just uninstall it. Accessibility. What else does it need? Nothing, that's it. Yo, Robert, welcome. Oh, this is in the wrong section. Okay. Do we have it here? Remote PC launch. Single sign-on. The hell? Bear with me while I get my password for this. Okay. So don't enable computer, and then, oh, you can't actually spawn a computer. This is still kind of like a remote PC without the hosting. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Okay, this is not what we want, so let's uninstall this. Move to bin. Screen Connect Cloud, a portal where cloud can edit their instances. Maybe this one? Screen Connect. Wait, let's just check their pricing first and learn more. Oh yeah, this is the same one. Let's just try it. Custom URL. Tech brand. Just suggest the strong password here. Yo, Derek, what's up? Alright. Setting up a trial. Yo, Ben Cianco. Hello. Welcome. Welcome everybody. Look, I'm gonna get some water while this sets up. Yo, Akash Chowdhury, welcome. All right, let's create instance. Hopefully, come on. Oops, I accidentally created 3. We'll delete 2. Here we go. Untitled session. Hello. Oh, that's support. I don't need support. I need access. Build a computer. Do I need it? Okay, nice. Hello. I didn't build one. Download? Oh, wait, what? Build an installer to deploy to remote machines. No, did they not host the remote machines? Stolen agent to access. Oh my god, no, this isn't what I want either. Alright. Hosted Windows computer. I might have to just use AWS again, or Azure. I haven't tried Azure. Maybe we should try Azure. Let's try Azure Virtual Desktop. Okay, Azure is from Microsoft. Azure is Microsoft's cloud service, so you'd hope that they have the best Windows hosting solutions, right? Let's see. Yo, Fractologist, good morning. Red or green team? I don't even know what that means. Fractologist, would you like to please let me know what that means? Red or green team for what? Oh, man. What's my... Let's try this. On your mobile device. Okay, let's I don't think I have this. Check. Nope. I don't have this. Fuck, bear with me, guys. Gotta do some security things. AMD or Nvidia? Oh, I typically use Nvidia, but I'm not strongly, like, I don't strongly feel either way. I think Nvidia has typically had like better performance, but AMD seems to be cheaper. Another reason why I like Nvidia now is like they're doing all this cool AI research. Yeah, what's your opinion, Fractologist? Do you prefer Nvidia or AMD? Oh my god. This is an issue. I can't authenticate. Maybe we can just make a, I'm gonna make a new Windows account, Outlook account. Bear with me. Let me just copy this. Dude, what the hell? It won't let me sign up. That's so annoying. What the hell? What? Oh my God. Okay. This is quite annoying. Nvidia bad guys because proprietary software. Yeah, I definitely get that. But you know, I'd rather there be people that make technological advancements and make them proprietary rather than like it not existing at all. That's just my opinion, but I definitely, yeah, it would be great if they were open source. But you gotta understand that they're trying to run a business here. They can't just make everything open source, right? Okay, we're making progress. I can't suggest a strong password here. Geobasinas, thank you for the comment. What am I building today? Right now, I'm trying to do the tutorial to stream on TikTok from Mac. And I'm trying to set up an Azure account. That's why I'm hiding my screen. But yeah. It's trying to get me to...
Option 1.
This is a capture thing, by the way.
Option 2.
I'm trying to find out which one is the sound of water. So weird. I've never done a
Option
capture like
3.
this. Alright, cool. Okay, done. Hopefully we've made the account now, right? Any second now. Yes. Okay. Okay, we're back. I've made a Windows account. Now hopefully I can make an Azure account. If this is anything like AWS, it won't actually let me make a Azure account straight away. But we'll try anyway. Okay, start free. Chinese Azure. Was it Outlook.com or Outlook.live? Can't remember. When I signed up, it didn't get me to confirm the password, which was weird. Alright, that looks like that worked, maybe. Country, phone. Okay. Oh, I have to verify. Oh man, my phone's not connected. There's a chance I won't be able to do this. Oh, it's so annoying. Because my mobile's not connected. I'm not paying for roaming today. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to put this on hold. So, could not finish because need phone verification. Which is fair enough, like they're trying to stop bot activity, so we'll do this next time. Put that back in the to-do. It won't go in the to-do nicely. And we can look at SmallAI.dev. Alright, we'll do that when we get 50 likes. If you guys are on TikTok, please like the stream so I can start the next thing. Only 8 more likes, guys, come on. I'm the only one liking it here. Skipit.ai. Also another thing recommended to me. We will try that. Alright, nice. We've Fractologist liked the live. Thank you so much, Fractologist. Alright, let's look at SmallAI.dev. SmallAI.dev. Small developer. Let's have a look. Small developer. Small developer is human-centric and coherent programming synthesis, aka your own personal developer. Build the thing that builds the thing. It's just like that Twitter post that I made the video about. Is that the same one? Let's have a look. It is the thing. It's the same one. So I made a video about this post, but I ended up talking about E2B, which was the inspiration for small developer. But now we're going to get into the actual small developer, which I believe was built by this guy, SWYX at NYC. Is that right? Or maybe not. I don't know. Small AI. Oh yeah, it is SWYX. Okay. This is a prototype of a junior developer agent, aka small dev, that scaffolds an entire code base out of you once you give it a product spec, but does not end the world or overpromise AGI. Instead of making and maintaining specific rigid one-shot starters like Create React App, this is basically Create Anything app, where you develop your scaffolding prompt in a tight loop with your small dev. AI that is helpful, harmless, and honest is complemented by a codebase that is simple, safe, and small. Less than 200 lines of Python and prompts, so it's easy to understand and compromise. It's engineering with prompts rather than prompt engineering. Okay. The demo example in PromptMD shows the potential of AI-enabled but still firmly human developer-centric workflow. First, the human writes a basic prompt for the app they want to build. Main.py generates the code. The human runs and reads the code, and the human can add to the prompt as they discover underspecified parts of the prompt, manually run the code and identify errors, paste the errors into the prompt just like they would file a GitHub issue, and for extra help they can use Debugger.py, which reads the whole code base to make specific code changes. And they loop until happiness is attained. Note that AI is only used as long as it's adding value. Once it gets in the way, just take over the code base from your small developer with no fuss and no hurt feelings. Okay. And they have some demos here we should probably watch. This one looks cool. Prompt to Pokemon app. Very cool, guys. Let's watch this. Is this a video? It's just a picture. Okay, that's cool. So I guess this is the kind of spec that they give it. So the prompt is a simple, I don't know if you guys can see this very well. A simple HTML website that pulls 50 Pokemon from the Pokemon API and lists the format. Scripts.js. This file contains all of the JS logic that needs to connect the Pokemon. Styles.css. Download and install Tailwind and then use the following instructions. This kind of cuts off here, but okay, so that's kind of how it works. Let's look at a few more demos. Oh, I keep putting this in the wrong column. Here we go, SmallAI.dev. Okay, yes. This is the original demo. 7-minute. Build an entire code base with a single prompt. Let's watch this one. M says, where are you working from next? Cool to see you nomading. I'm going to Barcelona in Spain on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. So yeah, I just spent almost a week in Italy, and then I'll probably be at least a week in Spain as well. This Matthew Berman guy posts very good videos on AI. If you guys haven't seen him on on YouTube, definitely check him out. Let's have a look at this small developer review they've done.
Small developer is absolutely amazing and simultaneously terrifying. It is like having a junior engineer in your pocket. This goes beyond putting a prompt into ChatGPT and having it help you code. This actually creates an entire project for you. And it's super easy to use. So I'm gonna show you a project that I created in 2 minutes. Then a project that takes a ChatGPT API key and
so actually I probably should.
So here's the prompt that I gave it. Write a Python project that takes a ChatGPT API key in an M file, and then when the main script runs, ask the user for a prompt, and then use the ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo API endpoint to get a response from ChatGPT. Then it displays that response to the user and asks for another prompt. Make sure to include a requirements.txt file. Also make sure to use the OpenAI module. Here's an example of what the ChatGPT API call should look like. And then I gave it an example straight from the ChatGPT API docs. So I ran small developer on this prompt and it output an entire project for me. So we have the requirements file, we have the main file, and we also have an M file. Now I'm definitely gonna rotate this API key before publishing the video. So let's run it, let's see what happens. Enter your prompt. Tell me a joke. There it is. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? Because it was too tired. Amazing. When was Bill Clinton president? Bill Clinton was the 42nd president.
That seems pretty simple. Should we try it out? Do they have it installed? Okay, clone. Fill your API keys. You also need modal.com. Okay, what's that? Oh, you need GPT-4? Oh, you can use 3.5. But it won't be as good. I don't think I have GPT-4 API. What is modal? Modal is... Let's have a look. End-to-end cloud compute. Model inference. That's cool. I probably won't go into this the more I think about this. I think just showing the demo is good enough for a TikTok video, and that's my main purpose of this. But being able to make a whole project with just one prompt is a very cool idea. Shouts out to Small Developer on GitHub if you guys want to check it out. Small-AI/developer. Let's see what other projects they have. They also have a menu bar. M has said, have people paid for Timestamp Genius? I've been building a few SaaS myself. No one's paid for it yet. I have gotten feedback that the pricing is way too high, so I'm going to make it a lot cheaper. Probably like 10 times cheaper right now. That's actually the next thing I wanted to do with it. Yeah, it was going to be the next thing, but actually I want to check skipit.ai before I do that. So let's check out skipit.ai. I'm just gonna like this stream so we get 100 likes. Yeah, awesome. Okay, skipit.ai. So I think this one kind of condenses content so it's easier to read. Save countless hours with one click. So you can just upload a PDF or upload a YouTube video, and it summarizes it for you. So what's something really long that we'd like to know about? How about just that SmallAI GitHub page? Will that work? Let's see. Awesome. So explain like I'm 5, that SmallAI GitHub page. There is a computer program that can help make other computer programs. That's very good. It's like having a little helper that can help build things for you. How do I use it? So if they didn't provide a well explained tutorial, could we just ask? Without knowing specifically which program, it's hard to define a detailed answer. Oh. How do I use the small developer? Okay, it's not very good at answering that one. Still cool. Maybe we can give it a big Wikipedia page. What do I want to know about? What's something complex? I wanted to kind of know about auto encoding. So, auto encoders. Let's see. Is this? Okay. Let's see if it can do this. Summarize these autoencoders article for me. Explain it like I'm 5. I like this, explain like I'm 5. Autoencoders are like magic machines that can take a picture and make it really small, but still keep the important parts. Then they can make that picture big again, just like the original. They help us understand pictures better and even make new ones that look like the original. There are different types of autoencoders that do different things, like making a picture less blurry or finding things that are different in a group of pictures. Cool. What are some questions I can ask about autoencoders? Like, what about how many layers does an autoencoder typically have? M says, where do you recommend to promote your SaaS? I saw a few people say Hacker News and Product Hunt. Yeah, definitely. So I did Product Hunt and I got some free engagement with 12 upvotes, bunch of people there. So Product Hunt is good. This is all for free. I actually made the front page on Product Hunt too, and like one of my most used users is from Product Hunt, so definitely there. I haven't put it on Hacker News either, but also there's like communities on Reddit. So for my SaaS, I found like this one, for example, partnered YouTube. So I'm trying to target like people. You got to first find who is your customer, right? For me, it's YouTubers that have long form content. So I need to try figure out where they are, like the communities that they're in on Reddit, etc. And even going on YouTube and finding the individual users and then reaching out to them through email and stuff. So you got to find out where your target user is. Kwaku Signal, my mentor, hello. Thank you for joining. Thanks for the nice comment. But yeah, I haven't gotten to the marketing stage of my product yet because, as you can see, it's the UI is quite shit. So that's the next thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to get this out of beta, try get a good UI for this. yeah, it's probably what I'll do right now and for the rest of the stream, unless anyone has any other suggestions. A typical autoencoder consists of an encoder and a decoder, each with one or more layers. The encoder compresses, yeah. Trade-off between complexity and performance. Very good answer by skipit.ai. Okay. All right, let's go on to timestamp genius development. So I'm going to close this window and then we'll open my code base for timestamp genius. Okay, so at the moment, if we go to generate timestamp, do we have a credit here? No. Where do I need to find out where I charge the tokens? Buy credits? Here, buy credits. Okay. So for 500 cents, we have 50 credits. We're going to change that to 500 credits, 1,000 credits, and 3,000 credits. A 10 times increase. All right. I think I defined that one other place here. 500 credits, 1,000 credits, 3,000 credits. Okay. That should be pretty good. We're going to trial this pricing structure out. And just like that, I think it's that easy to change the pricing for this, so I will push that out. 10x cheaper pricing. Can run this as kind of like a promo. Are you using Stripe for payments? Yes, I am. I can give you a little walkthrough of the workflow. Let me just run this locally, and we can have a look at what it looks like. So the UI is really shit right now, but it works, and that's the main thing for me. So I have this buy credits button, which when pressed, you can click this, buy 500 credits for $5, and then yeah, brings up the Stripe payment method. So let's look at how many credits I had here. 2,818. If I buy 500 credits, and when you're in test mode, you can use any data, it doesn't matter. For this, you just 424242, and I think that's a fake Visa card, and then whatever here, whatever there, and go pay. And then after this works, I should have 3,200 credits. Yeah, 3,300. Excellent. And that's the really simple Stripe workflow. Yeah, I can show you the code for that. Let's have a look here. Make this bigger for you. Okay, so in buy credits, first you require, so this is with Express JavaScript. You require the library here. You define the items in the store, and then you go Stripe checkout sessions create. You can add some metadata here, so I get the user ID to link the credits to, and the amount of credits that they're getting, the payment method, and which store item that they clicked on, the currency, and yeah, the quantity, which is always 1 in this case, but yeah. And then with the success URL is what gets called back once it's a success, and then I use that success URL to credit the account. And that's how it works. Kind of simple. Yeah, so what I want to do now is find like a UI framework that I can use with React. I know there's a lot of them, so we're gonna do some research first. See if we can find a good one. React UI framework. best React UI framework. I like to look at Reddit and just see like people discussing these kind of things. So let's see what this Reddit thread says. This person's asked for the best UI framework for React in 2022. And this person has suggested Beer CSS. Let's have a look. Baby suggests Chakra. Chakra is a popular one. I have used it. I wasn't a big fan of Chakra, but let's have a look at Beer. Beer looks like this. Not a huge fan of this either. One main reason I didn't like Chakra was because of this is okay. Was because how the primitives change, and it just becomes too different. I'd like it to kind of be more seamless. Emma's, have you used Flask? Yes, I have used Flask. I got an MVP for my SaaS with Bootstrap CSS front end. Doesn't look too shit. Yeah, Bootstrap is a classic one. Let's have a look. Bootstrap React 2023. Bootstrap is the easiest way to style React apps in 2023. What does it look like? Let's have a look. Oh my gosh. Headers. Very classic. It's nice. Bootstrap is nice. I might end up doing Bootstrap. Maybe. Can we have a look at the code? Did it show the code? How do we see the code here? That's probably not accurate. What about here? Oh, it's just with class names. I like that. I like how it doesn't change the primitives. Like, you still use div. One of my issues with Chakra UI is you stop using div and you use their own primitives like card and container and stuff. But with Bootstrap, you just add their class names, which is nice. I'm sure there's benefits to the way Chakra does it, but I just prefer this way. I just noticed I haven't been looking at the Restream chat. Has anyone messaged here? My bad. Restream. I'm sorry if I missed the messages. Is there a way to check? Have I missed messages on Restream? I hope not. I'm sorry everyone on YouTube and such. I don't know, view on YouTube, let's see. Normally people message on Twitch. Has anyone messaged on YouTube? I can't scroll down. Oh, here we go. Doesn't look like it. Let's have a look at Twitch. Look at Twitch. Where's the chat? Stream chat. It's empty, but I don't know if that's because I just came on it or... So I have this tab sleeper plugin that if I don't interact with a tab for a certain amount of time, it goes to sleep, and that's what happened with the stream. So apologies if anyone was messaging on Twitch, YouTube, or any other platform, which I missed. Yo, it's Taiyang Zhang. Shouts out Taiyang. Hello. Sorry if you were messaging before, Tai. I only just got the chat working. But yeah, shouts out Tai. They're the one that actually recommended we look at skipit.ai. So shouts out to Tai, my homie. Big fan? Oh, thank you, Tai. I'm a big fan of your work as well. Next UI. Let's have a look at Next UI. What's that? Make a beautiful website regardless of your design experience. Apply your own theming. This is nice. This is nice. Okay. So how does it look? Create theme, type light, class name light elegant. Class name light elegant theme. Okay, this is different. Do more, write less code. Input.password. Okay, so they have their own input. Dark mode is less effort. Okay, this is good. I'd like something that you can switch between dark and light really easily. That would be nice. How does it work? Oh, so you apply a provider, dark theme, type dark, and then you have your dark colors. Nice animations. What about icons? TypeScript based, server-side rendering. What about icons? Do they have part of this? Ooh, they don't have anything on icons, dude. That's a very big part of UI. That's a very big part. Components, avatar button, text area, pop over, tooltip, drop down, progress, text switch, image. No, that wouldn't be it. No icons. Guys, what are we doing? Why is there no icons? I mean, we could just use Font Awesome or something, I guess. They do have loading icons, it seems. That's pretty good. Oh, here. Camera icon. Icons. Oh, they do have icons. Next UI doesn't use any library or icon font by default. With this, we give the freedom to use the one you prefer. So they use third-party icons, React Iconly. Okay. I guess that's okay. Should we try Next UI? Let's have a look at Next UI alternative Reddit. Let's see if anyone has any comments. Powered by Versal. Oh, it's just because it's hosted on Versal. Looks cool, but it's awfully slow. Should be performant if it uses stitches. It's too slow. What? I'm gonna do some more research before I commit to any one library. I really don't like Tailwind, but let's have a look at this. Looks very basic. Next UI again. Should we just do Next UI? Whoa, that's from 2018, that's too outdated. Best UI library that's fully compatible with Next. Mantine. Oh, this has 25 upvotes. This is the option you want. Best library by a long shot. Okay. What's this Mantine? Fully featured React components library. 100 plus components. They have a dark mode. Very nice dark mode. Password input, text input. Okay, this looks pretty good. Date picker, I don't need that. Navigation, kind of need that. Rich text editor, I don't need that. Okay. Let's see how it works. Color scheme dark, color scheme light. Very simple. Okay. This looks very good. This is kind of what I want. Sliders, we don't need that yet, but we might in the future. Flexible theming. Do they have icons? That's like a big thing for me. Oh, use fab icon. Okay. I think I'm gonna do this. Mantine. Get started. Next.js. The easiest way to get started is to use a default or a minimal template on GitHub. Which one is which? Let's have a look at the two. I'm gonna move this here. Default and minimal. Okay, does it have pictures? No. No pictures. Let's just use the default one. Get started. If you click use this template at the header of this repository, or follow this link and create a new, I don't want to create a new repository. What? Where's, what? Use this template. The hell? Click use this template button. Where's the use this template button? What the hell? I'm so confused. At the header of this repository. What? There is no use this template. Or follow this link to create a new repository. No. No. Public template. Oh, use this template. In a new repository. No, how do I use it in an existing repository? No. I have to Google it. Mantine integrate with existing repository. Why is it so difficult? Let's read this tutorial. So I set up a new thing. Oh man, and then they install all of these packages. Mantine core, Mantine next, Mantine emotion. Initial props, body, next. What's this document TSX? I don't think I have that. Document. Oh, we do have a document TSX, okay. Alright, I'm just gonna try integrate it just like this. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Yarn add. Installing all the packages. Tribeca, welcome. Okay, install the packages. Now I'm gonna skip this documents TSX and just try to add the provider to my app.tsx. So we import it, and then we add the provider like this. We already have an Apollo provider. What's that? Oh, we don't need that. Apollo is for it's for this GraphQL library that we don't even use. So I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna remove that, and then I'm gonna open package.json and remove that, and then it should still be working. Let's have a look. Yep. It's gonna do a global search for Apollo, make sure we don't have it anywhere. This is a lock file, so we don't have to worry about that. Yep. Okay, back here, now we're gonna add the Anytime provider. We'll do that under the session provider. Yep. Done. And I'll see if it runs without any errors. We might have to whoa, okay. It looks terrible, but it runs. I might remove my added CSS. So these two, I'm gonna remove those. Okay, looks terrible at the moment, but that's fine. We'll see, do I include CSS anywhere else? No. Wait, let's see if I put dark here, what happens? Oh, sweet, okay. So the color scheme change works nicely. Everything else needs some work, but that is fine. Do we need anything else? Create your own get initial props. Get initial props. Initial props. Alright, maybe we do need to use this. Get initial props, but then this is weird. I don't really understand create initial props, but it looks like it's needed for this, so we'll add it. Okay, we have some issues here. Parsing, declaration or statement expected. Oh, because this is in a different format. What if we do this? And then this. Okay, seems to be happy with that. Did that change how it looks? Document is not defined. We get that from next document. Okay. Okay, I mean, it looks the same, but that might have been necessary. All right, so that's the basic UI. Okay, let's go learn the basics. So far, it definitely looks worse, but we will fix all of that, hopefully. Theming. Theme object supports changing colors, spacing, blah, blah, blah. To configure theme, wrap your app with a maritime provider. We've done that. Font family. Let's see how that would work. I'm gonna put this here. If I add this font family here, oh, that looks worse. Okay, we'll keep the default font. Color scheme dark. Writing styles. create styles. Let me put the Restream chat in here. Create styles. And then it adds them like that. Classes use styles. Use styles, create styles. Components, prop, color prop, badge, button. Shadows, element ref, server-side rendering. Okay, should we just try use one of their components? Like, for instance, I want a nav bar. So can I just search nav bar. Nav bar. How do I get a nav bar? Nav link? Import nav link. Is it this? Nav link, nav link, nav link. I want like a... How do I find the component? Oh, here we go. Browse components. Headers. Okay, this is it. Headers with multiple layers. No. Primary action. Mega menu. Headers with menu. Header with menu like that. Header with logo in the middle. Kind of like that. It's not, I don't know, should we have logo in the middle? I don't even have a logo yet. Header with tabs. Simple header. Let's just do simple header. Okay. Wow, this is a lot more complex than I hoped. But that's fine. Let's just try it out. Header, container, logo, header. Okay, so we have a navbar.js already. Instead of this div class navbar, we're gonna go header from maritime core. We'll save that. Let's see just how it works with just the header. Okay, it makes something. That's nice. In that they have a container. And they have a burger and a group. Oh, the burger is a responsive burger. That's pretty good. We should probably do that as well. So, to have the burger here. No, here. Yeah. Burger. Will that work for us? Oops. We need the closing tag for the burger. For some reason, it just gave up at bur. And okay, so it's always a burger now. That's not what I wanted, but that's probably defined here. Let's see how they do the logic for the burger. They have this state opened. Opened toggle. Whoa, that's cool. Use disclosure. I've never seen that before. Oh, it's a hook from themselves. Very cool. Very cool. We'll just copy paste that. It'll probably complain about this. Nope. Well, I should. So I'm just going to paste this in here. Let's see if that changes it. Nope, it's still a burger. We'll copy their class name. We'll copy all the classes. Use styles. This is just way too much code. Like, I'm already a bit disappointed with that amount of time. But whatever. We're already too deep to turn back now. Did that change? Create styles is not defined. I just imported it. What? Just imported it, bro. Come on. Okay. It's still open. I mean, it's still visible. What's this? Oh, I didn't use that. Will that fix it? Rem is not defined. I'm just gonna copy this whole thing. Still a burger. Items. What happens if I open the burger? Absolutely nothing. Not liking this. Not liking this. Man time, come on. This should have just worked. The fact that it didn't is sad. Very sad. So, I don't know, guys. I think, well, actually, we should probably add this class. Yeah? Hold on.
Sorry, I made a mistake. So, I don't know if it's possible to clean the room, but
It's okay.
are you today? For today is okay.
Yeah. Or maybe like later.
Yes. What time you prefer?
1 hour from now.
Okay.
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 Thank you so much. This is room service, housekeeping. Okay, so what was I doing? I was adding that class in the container. See if that changes. Okay, that's better. Now the burger's over there. Great. So their burger doesn't actually surround anything. So definitely put that in the wrong spot. I'm gonna make a group here, like they have. What the hell? And then I'll change this to group. And we'll move the burger to here. Okay. Okay. Progress. Definitely progress, but they what should happen is, does theirs work like that? Like the burger should be visible. So like they have these buttons, but when you close this, oh, theirs doesn't even show those things either. It shouldn't be this complex. I want a UI framework that just like easily works. Yo, Mode just jumped in. What are we building? So I don't know if you watched my videos on Timestamp Genius. It's a SaaS that I'm building that looks like this normally. The UI isn't great, so I was looking at UI frameworks to kind of dress this up, and I came across Mantime, which I heard was good, but so I was just trying to make this simple header, which should look like this, right? But the code is actually quite complex. Look at this. It's like, I don't know, 70 lines of code just for this simple header. So I'm starting to regret this one. I'm probably going to discard these changes and look at another UI framework, but I will probably do that in my own time. I feel like this stream will be a bit boring if I'm just kind of trying to configure this. So I don't know if you guys have any suggestions on something you want to see. Please let me know. Otherwise, I will probably just cool down the stream and browse Twitter. Browse Twitter for new AI stuff. So let's do that. Twitter. Let's see what's new. Go for you. Adobe's new Photoshop AI. Yeah, I've used that. Super cool. It's easy to check if a text is generated by ChatGPT or not, but it's possible to make your own ChatGPT undetectable. Yep, we've covered something like that. Using tools to write and schedule your tweets is the worst way to build a thing. Photo AI. Researchers created an AI agent that plays Minecraft autonomously. Announcing our third experiment, AutoCode Pro, a new AI-based way to build apps for non-engineers. Okay, is that live? AutoCode Pro? Okay. This is cool. Your personal junior developer. Let's go try for free. Please set up your open API key or choose to use R1. Okay, let me just do this real quick, guys. Oh, this changes the whole thing. Okay. Seems cool. Yeah, let's try it out. Okay. Apparently my key has been updated. So new project. Can't use GPT-4 unfortunately. What kind of project do you want to build? Chrome extension is the only one. Requirements, okay. When clicked, what should it do? Fetches all comments from our YouTube video. Let's try this. Build. Your project is being built. You can check the status here. Doesn't really give you any info on what it's up to. It's just pending. Okay, we'll just leave that and continue on Twitter. Let's see what the comments are. Mode says, are you self-taught or do you have a degree in computer science? I would say I'm mostly self-taught, but yes, I also have a degree in software engineering from my university. Much more tailored towards Chrome extensions. Cool. Mid-journey camera lens experiment. Nvidia is now trading at 37 times its revenue. Oh my god. Pacific Dome says, hey, Candy Crushers, how you guys doing? Doing good. Thank you for the comment, Pacific. Three forms of leverage by Naval. Where is the AI stuff? Watching State of GPT, best 40 minutes you'll ever spend this week. Shopify apps are the hot thing in SaaS. Real-time AI in video games, human speaks, the NPC responds. Dialogue generated on the fly, that's pretty cool.
Hey Jen, how are you?
Unfortunately, not so good.
How come?
I'm worried about the crime around here. It's gotten bad lately.
Dude, that's gonna be awesome when you have like proper conversations with NPCs. See how our AutoCode Pro is doing. Oh, completed. Fetch comments. Extract video ID. Send HTTP request to YouTube ABI. Oh, so how do you? Okay. Oh, it needs an API key. I wanted it to just scrape the website. That's pretty cool. Let's try a different one. What's something that I want to do from an actual website? Like from a TikTok page. Let's see. TikTok page. Whoa, why is this in Russian? The hell? What the hell is this? Never seen this before. Looks like it thinks I'm a bot. So weird. It has like an iOS pop-up. What is the best and cheapest secure cloud infrastructure I can maintain my new web app? I normally recommend AWS. I think it's pretty good. It says, do you focus purely on SaaS or do you develop for a specific market? I don't really have a preference. I just find like ideas that I think will be good for me and just develop that. So Timestamp Genius, my latest app and pretty much my only one that I've released recently, is something that I actually use. So I know I'd go into my YouTube streams, my past streams, and they're quite long, right? Like, so my last stream was over an hour 40 minutes, and I wanna have these timestamps so people can be like, oh, what's this? Testing timestamp features on Timestamp Genius, and they can skip to it. Or you want to look at creating a logo with Photoshop, you can skip to that. Yeah, so that's something that I actually use. So then I was like, let's turn this into a product that other people can use as well. Pacific Dome says, you have a Russian girlfriend? Nice TikTok video though. I do not have a Russian girlfriend. Mode says, try a mobile ordering app for a local restaurant. No, so this one is builds a Chrome extension, so I kind of want to make a scraper. Oh, we have some comments on TikTok. They're asking how to use that thing. Why, if you pipe through Nvidia broadcast, then you should solve that issue. Nvidia broadcast only is on Windows though, Quantum. Alright, so what's something I can do? Oh, here, I got an idea. Scroll through the current page's Twitter feed, and if a post contains the word AI, and combine all posts talking about AI and save them to a file. Will this work? Let's see. All right, check the status. Hopefully that one will be good. So what Autocode Pro is doing is developing us a whole Chrome extension that we can just integrate into our, oh no, this one's using GPT-4. That's not going to work because my API does not have access to GPT-4. Display them in a pop-up. Okay, apparently display them in a pop-up is what we want. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, is there a way to stop this? No, there isn't, so that's just gonna be indefinitely pending. What says nice? I gotta look into your timestamp amp. Yeah, check it out at timestampgenius.com. If you sign up with Google, you get 25 free credits. Which I might change actually. Let's see if I can change that from 25. I might change it to 250. Or 100. I might change it to 100. Here, you get initial credit. We'll change that to 100. I'll just push that as well. Oh fuck! I forgot. Actually, I'm gonna have to reset all my previous changes with the new UI framework, which I don't want to use. 100 initial credits. Okay, push. Enjoy. Pacific Dome says, have you used Firebase? My web app needs multi-factor authentication, database, and node servers. Can it all be one? Can it all run on the Firebase alone without AWS? I haven't used Firebase that much. I think theoretically you can do all of that in Firebase, yeah. But I'm not sure. I haven't used it. What was I doing? Oh yeah, checking out autocode. Still pending. I'm working on it. Please check back later. All right, we'll continue in Twitter. Oh, I still haven't used ChatGPT plugins. That's probably something to do next stream. Do that from Barca. Very excited to go to Spain. All right, let's go into following. proposed world in where AI is actually dangerous, but the government doesn't realize it, creating some accidental deployment of world-ending AI feels unlikely considering how the US government is as turning things into weapons. Hey, it's my stream. 0 viewers. I'm grateful that Apple's manufacturing defects destroyed my iPod Pro because they sounded a lot worse than $20 wired Panasonics. Oh, a rainbow party hat. Is this done yet? Still pending. Anyone on Restream? Nope. Will the stream be watchable on Twitch afterwards? Yes, it is on Twitch and YouTube. At TechFriend is on Twitch and YouTube. So Twitch only has my past streams up to a certain date in the videos. But if you go on my YouTube, it has all my past streams in this live tab. You can see all of them. Keeps them forever. Shouts out YouTube. Thank you so much for hosting all my videos for free. You can find them all there. Still waiting on this Chrome extension. The other one was so fast. I wonder why this one's taking so long. I hope it's not because it's pending on this. It might be. Oh man, I wish I could stop this. Right, we're gonna give it another 10 minutes, and if it, oh wow, it's used 77,000 tokens. Uh-oh, and there's no way to stop it. Oh shit. All right, if it gets to 10,000, we'll stop it. Oh, and the usage isn't gonna be live. Oh man, I'm kind of scared for this. Pacific Dome says, what language are you focusing on today? I normally do everything in JavaScript when I can. I love these shoes. Okay, well, I'm probably gonna wrap up the stream very soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're still waiting on this Autocode Pro, but I might just retract my token for this because it really shouldn't be taking that long. Oh, wait a sec. It's finished? Let's have a look at the code. Show AI posts. Click. Fetch the Twitter feed using Twitter API. Oh, I need the API key. Okay, yeah. I am going to retract this token and end the stream. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I will see you next stream. I don't know when that will be, but yeah, thanks so much. Hope you all have a good day, and we'll see you next time.